Konnichiwa. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Suk here, and today we are going to dive into an easy, or should I say not so easy, beautiful makeup look that's inspired by Japanese beauty trends. So yeah, let's get started. First step is skincare. Before we start off with the makeup, it's crucial to have a well-prepared canvas. So let's begin with a simple skincare routine. Start with the cleansing with a good cleanser. Cleanse your face with a good cleanser. Okay. Then the toner. I'm using a plump one. It's a trial pack from Smitten. Then the moisturizer. I'm using a Pond's one. It's so hydrating for me. Yeah. So I'm done moisturizing my skin, and now we are using serum. It's again a trial pack from Smitten. So now that our skin is prepped, let's move on to the base makeup. I'm not gonna apply the primer because we have hydrated our skin already so well. So let's start with the foundation. Or if you guys have redness on your face or hyperpigmentation or like things like that, you can use color corrector first, then move on to the foundation. So let's start with the hydrating foundation. No, the next step is contouring. We're gonna contour our nose first, then we'll shape our cheeks, or you can say the whole face. We're gonna blend it out now. We're done with the contouring. Let's blush it up. Blush it up. Now we are off to the eye makeup. This color, I'm going to use this color. No, not this one. This one, yeah. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna use this color here at the corner of my eyes. So I'm done with the eye part, as I have applied eyeliner and highlighter here and here, and yeah, on the nose too, and on the tip of the nose too. Okay, now I'm going to do the lip, as I have to finish the video. Yeah, so applied red color at the inner part of my lips and the pinkish nude color at the outer part of my lips to give that natural kind of look. Done with the lips, and now I'm going to curl my lashes and come up with the final look. Wait for the final look. Oh my god! Yes, that's my final look. It's big thanks, guys. Should I remove it? You guys tell me. I will give you a close look of my look. Like a glass skin look. Oh yeah, glass skin look. So yes, sad thing. It's an Indian household, guys. ऐसा हो सकता है यहाँ पे शांति बनी रहे? शांति? हाँ? ये क्या है ये? I think I would look good with bangs. Should I remove it?